What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you all the ways that you can get Wonder Hourglasses in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's get started. So Wonder Hourglasses are used to get more Wonder Stamina in order to make more Wonder picks. Now let's move over to the first method of getting Wonder Hourglasses. The first and the least efficient method of getting these items is by claiming your daily gifts right here. And here you have a 1 in 3 chance of getting this item. And if you get it, you will only get one of them. Now the second method of getting Wonder Hourglasses is by purchasing them in the shop. So you can purchase them here for 2 shop tokens per 1 hourglass. Or if you scroll down, these are refreshed monthly. You can buy 1 hourglass for 3 shop tokens. Now the third method of getting these Wonder Hourglasses is through beginner missions. So if you go to your missions and you just recently created your account, you will be able to see a beginner missions tab right here. And as you solve them, you will get Wonder Hourglasses. But you can also get them through other types of missions, if you're not a beginner. If you go to this themed collection option right here in the bottom right corner, you can see that you can also get them by completing these themed collection missions. So if you want to find out more about a certain mission, you can just click on this plus icon here, and then all the cards that you need to collect for this mission will load. And once you collect these cards, these are the rewards that you will get. 24 Wonder Hourglasses, 5 shop tokens, and 4 emblem tickets. So that's the second way that you can get Wonder Hourglasses through missions. And now the last and the best way of getting Wonder Hourglasses is just by simply leveling up. So as you can see, once you level up, you will get a few items, and one of them will be a few Wonder Hourglasses. So at the moment, those are all the ways or methods that you can get Wonder Hourglasses from. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.